Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a header in Elementor. So firstly, just simply go to a web browser, and from there you have to download a plugin which is Elementor Header and Footer. So just simply go to plugin, add new, then type in Elementor Header and Footer and download and activate that plugin. Now after you have installed and activated your plugin, just simply go to appearance, and over there you will find your Elementor Header and Footer. Just simply click on it. Now over here you will find this page, and as you can see there is no current template available, so you have to create a new template. For doing that, just simply click on add new. Then over here, if you want to give some details, you can give it, or just simply skip this process entirely. Then a new type of page will appear. Now over here what you have to do is just simply add a title to the header that you are creating. So let's say header test. Now after giving the title, then just simply click on edit with Elementor. Now after that you will be redirected to the Elementor editor. So now what you have to do is just simply scroll down in the Elementor editor panel. Over here you will find there is a new column added, which is Elementor header and footer. So now what you have to do is just simply design your header in this page. Now in order to actually create the header, what you have to do is just simply first select a structure, let's say a 4-block structure. Now after you have selected a structure, it's time to drag and drop few widgets onto the structures. So the first thing that we want to drag and drop is a logo. Now let's make the logo a little smaller. Now the next thing is the menu. So for the menu you have to drag and drop the navigation menu over here and make it a little big. Adjust the size a little bit. After that, let's add a search panel over here. And the end and the last column we will add a add to cart button. So just simply type icon and you will find this. So just simply drag and drop the icon over here. Then go to icon library, and over here just simply write cart and just simply choose any of the icons and select insert. Now it is time to change and modify the things. So firstly, just simply change the color of the cart and the size if you want to. For the color, just simply change it to black. Now in order to actually get the menu, what you have to do is first create the menu in the Elementor dashboard. So first do that, because without doing that you won't be able to see this menu over here. So as you can see over here, I've already created a menu. So make the menu first in the WordPress dashboard, because without making that you won't be able to see this. Now let's give a little bit of padding. Now for the last thing, the logo, you simply click on it, then click on the pencil icon over here, then click on choose image, then click on choose image again. And now if you have a logo already, just simply choose that logo. So for example, I will choose this particular image over here, then click insert media. You can just simply upload your logo from here, and after that just simply click insert media, and your logo will be over here, and your logo will be shown over here. Now just simply adjust it a little bit, go to style, play around the width. Now as you can see, I've created a rough header. I know it is not perfect, but for this tutorial, I think it's fine. So you get the idea how you have to create a header. Now after doing all of that, what you have to do is just simply go to settings over here and go to page layout and click on the drop box and choose Elementor full width. And wait for a few seconds. Now just simply click on update. So after clicking update, what you have to do is just simply go back by clicking at the 3 lines icon over here, then exit. Now over here in the Elementor header and footer builder option, you will find type of templates. So just simply click on the drop box and choose header. Now in the display on, choose where you want the header to be displayed, like the entire website or some particular pages. So for me, I'll just simply choose entire pages. Now after that, if you click on add display rules, if you haven't chosen entire website on the first rule, you can again add more places where you want your customers or viewers to see the header. Or you can also put an exclusion rule, the places where you don't want your viewers to see the header. You can also do that over here. But in my case, I don't want it, so I'll just simply remove this exclusion rule over here. And now in the last rule, which is user rules, just simply again click on the drop box. And over here, just simply choose all. Or if you want any other type of rule, you can choose it over here, like administrators, editors, or log in, log out people. So in my case, I'll just simply choose all. Now after that, if you want to see the changes, just simply click on update over here. Now just simply click on preview changes, and over here you can see your new header. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and